Hey, this is Emily from WPCourseGuide.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a custom tab to your LifterLMS dashboard. Let me quickly switch my theme to Cadence because I like the way that the dashboard looks with Cadence. There we go. So you have these tabs on your LifterLMS student dashboard, and if you want to add a custom one with your own custom content, you can do that. Or you could even add a link to another page on your website. And so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. There's a video on LifterLMS, their actual website, that I did on this, but I wanted to create that video here as well. So if you're interested in doing that, the resource exists here as well. I know a lot of people on the channel are interested in customizing LMS a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to need an area to add custom code. I'm going to use a free plugin called Code Snippets. And don't worry, if you're not a developer, you can probably follow along with this tutorial. It's not super advanced. I'll show you exactly what to do in the code. So the Code Snippets plugin, we're going to install it and activate. Now, if you've ever heard of a child theme in WordPress, I would recommend using a child theme more than I would recommend doing this. But if you don't know what a child theme is, don't worry, this is perfectly fine to do as well. So I'm deleting all these code snippet samples. I don't want that. So this code snippet plugin allows me to add new, and it gives me little when people give us code like this, we can add it to the website. So if I copy, can I copy this? I'm just gonna click and drag, boop boop boop, and you can find this link in the description as well to this code. And so let's copy that and come over to my code snippet and paste it in. And so there's a lot going on here, but I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But before I do that, this snippet has no title. Custom tab to LifterLMS dashboard. Okay, I'm going to show you what it does. So let's save this, reload. So we can see I have a couple extra tabs here, my tab title, my endpoint title, two tabs that are extra here, and how we're going to modify the code in order to add our custom content in. So we can see we have the basic custom tab with a URL. So my tab title is right here, my tab title. So if I change this to Emily's tab title. Oh, and I have to, if you're doing this in code, you have to do one of these, is that right? No, that's a pipe symbol. One of those, okay. This is a little trick in code. If you're doing an apostrophe in code, you have to do this slash before the apostrophe, or else it thinks that you're like closing the code. So that's just something we ran into during the tutorial. Okay, so let's reload. So now it says Emily's tab title, and what it links to is just some random website. Let's get off of that. What is this? My endpoint? So Emily's tab title is one of those ones where you put a link on it. So this is where my URL would be. So instead of this, let's link to maybe a sales page of my website. So if I wanted to add like an upsell, here's how I would do it. I would add a page and say like get the membership. So if I'm selling courses, you say, I see you got the course, get the membership too. And then we have a button where they can buy now, and then all kinds of great sales content right there. And then what we'll do is copy our URL. We'll put that as our URL here, and then save that. And on the dashboard, we go to the upsell page, and it probably shouldn't say Emily's tab title. Probably should say get the membership, something like that. Save. And then we go back to dashboard, and now it says get the membership. You click on it, it takes you to buy the membership. So that's kind of a useful thing for an upsell. But there's another thing you can do with the tabs. The other one is to advance custom tab with content displayed on the dashboard. So remember, it was called my endpoint title. So maybe this is, what are we going to call this? Picture of Emily. And that's what we're going to call this. So that's what the tab is going to be. And it's actually going to display content on that tab. Picture of Emily is going to display some HTML. How do I edit this HTML here? I thought that I could do this. Content, dashboard of the endpoint, how to flush permalinks. Yeah, we know how to do that. Where do I put my content? That's returning the the advanced tab, nav item, true, the endpoint. The endpoint slug is there. And then we'll add the endpoint to LifterLMS sections. Oh, okay, I found it. This is my custom endpoint. I was looking so hard for that up here. It's down here. Okay, so this is where the HTML for our content will go. So instead of this, that was a minute to look for that. Okay. How do you do an image? Something like this, like this. RC equals. I think it's something like this. Let me go to. My website, find a picture. Beep. I want this URL. Copy link address. Let's put that URL right there. Let's see if this works. Picture of Emily. Oh, I need to flush permalinks. Hold on. Settings, permalinks. Whenever you create new URL structures in your website, you need to flush the permalinks by visiting settings, permalinks, and saving changes. No. Okay, well, it's kind of working, but not really. So let's see. What did I do wrong? I don't know if maybe this is not an embeddable picture. Maybe it's not. Let's go to my website. Let's open the image in a new tab. Copy this. This is embeddable. Is this a picture I can use? It's trying to embed a picture, so it's kind of working. And so you can add your own HTML here. So you can ask ChatGPT to make you HTML. Asking ChatGPT to write you code is a little scary. However, when it's HTML, it's like, what's the consequence? It's HTML. I don't know. But on your dashboard page, now you have go to the membership to sell to the membership if you wanted to redirect to another page, or you have picture of Emily, which is content you can display on the LifterLMS dashboard page with your own custom HTML. That's how you would add a custom tab that either contains content or links to any page on your website or another website. My name's Emily from WPCourseGuide.com. Click the link in the description to get access to this code right here. And check out our website with more courses and content. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.